Hey, hello friends. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. Check if sentence is panagram. So a panagram is a sentence where every letter of English alphabet appears at least once. So given the string, which is going to contain all lowercase English letter, so we have to return true if the sentence is a panagram, or else we have to return false. So this is the problem. So let's see how we are going to approach this problem. If you need help on preparing for interview, you can follow me on LinkedIn and also like this video and share it with your friends and also subscribe to this channel. So let's take this sentence and go through it one by one. So I'm going to take each character and assign it to a variable. So now we are going to console the char. So when we run this code, you'll see each character on each line, right? To count how many characters are there, so how many individual characters that are getting repeated, we have to use a array or an object, right? So first let's see how to use an array to count how many characters are there. For that we are going to use this char code at method. So remember this method. So this method will be very handy when you are trying to solve some problems, right? So when we run this code, here we can see the character is T and the character code is 116. So if we find A, the A's character code is 97 and the B's character code is 98. Let me show that. Yeah, so the B's character code is 98 and C's character code is 99 and D's character code is 100, and it goes on, right? So how can we convert this char code into index? Okay, for example, let's take A, B, C, D, E, F. So here we have char code 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. Now we have to use an array to track how many times a character is appearing, right? So consider an array, right? The array's index will start from 0 and it goes on, right? 0, 1, 2, and it goes on. So now if we convert this 97, right, 97, 98 into index, we can actually count how many characters are there. For that, we are going to just minus 97 from here, right? So if we just minus 97 and then if we run this code, here now we can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if it is Z, then the character code will be 26. So now we can just add 1 in the place of this particular index, right? And if the character is repeated, then we can increment the count, right? So after going through all the characters, if any one of the array value is 0, then it is not a panagram, right? For that we have to initialize an empty array with zeros filled on it. Okay, and then this is going to be the index, right? So after getting the index, we are going to assign it to index and the existing index value plus 1. Initially this will be 0. So whenever we find a new character, consider we are finding a character and the character code will convert it into index, which is going to be 0, right? So the array's 0th index will contain 0 and we are going to add 1 on it, and we are going to again assign back to the same index. So after completing this process, we can check what is there inside the array. So now we can see A is there, 1 is filled, B is there, 1 is filled, till F, 1 is getting filled here, right? After that, everything is 0. Now we can just find, right, using includes method, right? If there is a 0, then it is not a panagram. You can just return like this. Okay. So now let's submit this problem. Yeah, this code is running successfully. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and also share with your friends. Also subscribe to this channel.